Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. We hope everyone's having an awesome, fantastic day. Today we're opening up a bit of Dragon Ball and Pokemon. As usual, flip the coin and
tails.
Heads. Heads, right, so I'm starting.
Yeah.
I'll just get into this first of all. We'll just set these up a wee bit so I can get in there. Not me. There we go. Right, yeah. Probably when it comes to these packs, you know, these knees, I'll probably speed it along just so that, you know, I'll keep it on camera but speed it along so you don't need to see this whole part. Right, so firstly, obviously, Wait promo.
We have like 10 of those.
Yeah. That's cool, and then obviously we'll get the codes as well. There we go. Right, so let's get into this. Been a while for Pokemon. Yeah. One, yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Right. Basic Energy, Elgium, I think. Clang. Bravery, I think that was. Cryo, Goodnow. Electric. Oh, is that I'm not sure, it's a Pokeball, isn't it?
Yep.
Tempo, I'll still keep that. Oh,
a sharp.
That'd be sharp, yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll just leave that one,
Yeah.
Let's leave that one, thanks, Fuzz. Nice. Okay. Oh, nearly turned it in. Okay, basic energy again. Mogla, Snivy, Mana, Rufflet, Bravery, Crocodile, Electros, Fungus, I think, Electros again, and yeah. Okay. Okay, right, code first. Use your code. Okay, let's see if I get anything out of this. Well, anything other than the Pokeball anyway. Snivy, Mana, Rufflet, Bisharp, Crustle, Ends Plan, Fungus, Electros, EX.
Not bad.
Kyrium, I think.
Wait, we need to get the binder for
yeah.
Black Bolt.
Yeah, I know, exactly, for sure. Yeah, because obviously we started the master set, but we're actually going to be doing a Black Bolt v White Flare pack battle, aren't we? You know, like Black Bolt against White Flare. Do you know what I mean? That's got to be one of the things. And then after we do that, we'll get it all into the binder, you know what I mean? Right, so I'm opening the rest of this Pokemon first,
Yeah.
and then, right, okay. And then I'll let you jump on it. Your Pokemon, then we'll do the Dragon Ball. So we'll leave the Dragon Ball once until the end.
Okay.
Sorry. So is it one again for this buddy, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I think.
Mega.
Yeah. I like the code cards.
Yeah. Snover, Bunnery, Delmise, Strange Timepiece, Shackle, Surge's Bargain, I think, Ultra Ball, Shackle, and Klotzer. I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to think, have I opened any Mega Evolution?
Yeah, the tin, right?
Oh yeah, okay. No, a lot then.
Yeah. A pack or two, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, a couple of packs. Oh. Right, one at the front. Okay. So basic energy, Ultra Ball, Jinx, ESQ, Onyx, Solrock, I think, Shuckle, Risky Runes, Grumpig, Yveltal, I think. I don't know. Alakazam. Yeah, so far, nothing really. Well, EX and a Pokeball. You know. And that was off, that was hanging nothing at Mega yet, you know?
No.
Oops. Yeah.
Perfect.
There we go. Different. Right, let's see if we can hit anybody. Basic Energy, Maltank, Drizzle, Young Goose, Tinkaton, I think, Shiftry, Boss Orders, Zerniza, I don't know, Young Goose, Hoop, and Dialga, I don't know. Let's just start with coin, got that. I can get rid of that. And these are just like the promos, aren't they? Yeah. Promo, obviously. Right, is there only one pack in that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay.
Single booster.
Ah yeah. yeah. One pack and a coin, basically, innit?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Forgetting.
There's the code, one at the front. Here we go. Basic Energy, Vulpix, Tinkertuff, Seedot, Trogue, Kadabra, I think, Frostmoth, Loogie or Luke's Bargain, Boss Orders, Scored Bunny, and Zero Alakazam. Yeah, so none of that. Hopefully, you hit much better than that. You know what I'm saying? Even something, one
Pretty
big
sure anything would be better than what you hit.
Exactly, yeah. Right, I'll let you jump in.
Wait, I thought you were doing the Dragon Ball.
No, I'm doing that last. Well, you'll be last.
Oh.
So, do you get what I mean?
Oh, yes.
So, it's all Dragon Ball.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Yeah, do it. So, it's like jump on, jump off. Sound like a booster box, but except we're doing Dragon Ball and Pokemon, you know what I mean? You good? Fine, yeah? So again, I'll speed this bit up, obviously, just, yeah.
I feel so rusty, I forgot how to open packs.
Power the tap, remember, like what we
Wait.
done? Like hold the tap with your two hands. Remember like this, look? Hard and then rip through the middle.
Oh, yeah.
That's how we were doing it, remember? For a while. Yeah, it's been a while. For Pokemon, anyway.
Climb, Bisharp, Pokeball, Burger, and End Plan.
Yeah, already better.
Oh.
Definitely, that one pack better bring the app out for sure. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to get one for that as well. But that's good. That's just what happens, isn't it? So this. Okay.
Basic Energy. Energy Coin. Another
Nice.
Pokeball. Sundress.
Nice, another Pokeball. It's good. So pretty much, I mean, currently we need all these because again we're mastering this set as well. We've not really opened a lot of this. We've opened some, but not too much.
Lot, yeah.
Yeah, no, a lot yet. No, like Prismatic, we've opened a ton of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Time for some Mega.
And I'll keep them separate because again I think are we mastering Mega as well? Well, we want
yeah.
to try at least.
Yeah, Mega's
Okay.
better than Black Ball, in my opinion.
Yeah. Okay, I'll keep them separate then, just so.
Basic Energy, Spearow, Reboot, Ivysaur. Oh, sorry. Premium Power Pro. Nothing. keep on doing that. Sawbolt. Listen.
Let's see if you get in this last pack.
Here, Abra.
Zero. Oh, so yeah, Pokemon not hitting the best
Mega.
this time around. Right, I'll jump back in and open the. So this was Mega one. I'll keep it in the Mega pile. Right, cool. And also getting some Dragon Ball. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, that's the bin.
Oh yeah, that's not good. Right. So obviously this was my pile here one at this side.
Yeah,
I believe.
side.
Yeah. Hey, what am I doing?
It's not Pokemon.
I know. So yeah, but it's Saiyan's Parade. Obviously the plan is to get a booster box, obviously these two new sets for Fusion World, new sets for Masters, so we're planning to get a booster box of each, obviously, and open them. We're going to Paris next, so it'll probably be after that. We might very well get some stuff earlier. If we do, we'll do an opening when we're there. If we don't get anything, we'll do it when we come back, so it depends what we get, we'll see what happens. But yeah, TN, that was Chi-Chi, Magetta, Nappa, Posehus, Trunks Youth, some Goten, the Treat of Might, and Goten's obviously rare, if you know what I mean. Obviously there's the code, right, so nothing for that one. Obviously I'll say a wee bit about this. So before Christmas we went into the game, we saw these sitting there, I was like, oh cool, look, the new set's here, and this was before Christmas, so early. So picked them all up, went to the till, and the guy just says, oh sorry, we can't sell these now because they're not getting released until the first, so he refused to sell them because, well, he wasn't allowed to. So says, by any chance could you put them in the drawer for us, because this is all that was there. And he put them in the drawer for us. Obviously we went back after New Year and they were still there, so we got them. So if we hit anything out of these, it was fate that we get it, you know what I mean? But yeah, our luck, it won't happen obviously, you know what I mean? I might as well, that's the price of them out here for a single, so £6, and that's a game obviously, so yeah, again it'll be worth it if we get any, do you know what I mean? Or get anything, that is. So let's see. Yeah, so Billa, Brawly, obviously I'm after all the Brawly cares, you know what I mean? Vegeta, Trunks Pursuit, Zamasu, Habermetaldo, Dodoria, Trunks, Baby Revenge, Ambitions, a regular, and another regular shot is, so, hey, two regulars, sorry. I'll put in that other bin, but I'll try to aim for it anyway. So Krillin growing up, obviously, leader, Tao, Vegeta, that's cool, Raccoon, Trunks, Paragus, Android 18, Ginyu, well Ginyu failed change anyway, the frog, Vegeta, regular Gastel, and another regular, so yeah. Oh wait, no. Yeah, sorry. Right, last pack for me, let's see. Right, Jace, Baby, Parasite Form, Brawly, that's cool. Door, Body Change, Mai, Goku Black, Yes, Time to Die. Bulma, Brawly, Fearsome Rivals. Something anyway, at least SR, that's quite cool. That's Crown, show some of the detail. Cracking, nice. Something at least. At least I got an SR out of the packs. But can't wait to get booster boxes of both these sets and just get into them, obviously, you know what I mean? So for sure, right, cool, go something at least. So happy with that, I can't complain, right? Let's jump in, Buzz, and see if you get any. You good there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kale, Son Gohan, Piccolo, Whis, Vidal, Cabba, Pan, Vegeta. Coco, again, Piccolo, Whis, Son Goku, Frost, Son Gohan, that's nice. Trio of Might, and Cabba SR.
SR, yeah, good. So we both got a hit.
If you do anything to my home planet, or anything to my family, I will make you pay!
At least, you know. That's
Yeah.
cool. Look at these for it. So again, this was all the packs that, well, the singles that they had for Dragon Ball. The two sets, we just tried to take them all. Like I said, they wouldn't let us get these ones until after the new year. So we went back and, like I said, they were there. So
Dende, Son Gohan. Oh, as you can tell, rusty. And that's like, and the code card disappeared somewhere in there.
oh no, is that Masters, right? No, it's Masters.
Oh, yeah.
It's not Fusion one. It's all good.
Brain's not loading.
Yeah, last pack magic. Yeah, let's set that there. What's that?
SR.
It's nice, that one. Yeah. Obviously wasn't expecting much out of them. I mean, again, it's just single packs. But you never know, you need to get them and try at least, you know what I mean? But again, if anything, that's made me I like hurry up and open up the booster boxes. So like I say, after we get back from Paris, obviously we'll do it, unless like I say, we get stuff out there. But yeah, that's it for this video. Everybody remember, it's nice to be nice, and we'll catch you on the next one.
King TCG. Out.
Out.